The weather is absolutely insane right now. So if you're going on Circle, when I passed, there was a car up on the overpass for College in the right lane to exit, and then the tow truck was in the right lane to go straight on Circle. So essentially one lane top the overpass, which is going to be a disaster probably right now, because I got there and there might have been 20 cars backed up. So I imagine it's already backed up to Taylor, but look at how beautiful this is. Oh yeah, look at all that. And everything's so icy underneath now. This is great. Safe to say the auto body gods have spoken, and we are gonna have a lot more collisions. I had a plan for how I want to start the morning, but I think just with the snow and just having the shop full of vehicles, I think I gotta switch things around so we can make some room, not only inside but outside. And that guy can clear the snow, which should stop in a few hours, and then pull up the skid steer and get cleaning. It's a good day to be a full specialist. Came over, I hit up Dented over at Bob's right now and got a piece of cake with it, so finish this up, and I guess I'll probably do my yard next. And the cool thing about the Sharpie guide coat, shows all your lows and your highs, is the panel beater. It'll stick through any bits of Sharpie there, so you don't even have to take it off. You can still see what you're doing while you're popping stuff out. I'll take that. A little bit of mud, just good to go. So I'll take this, I'll take 80 grit, I'm gonna feather that back. I'll take 180, go a little bit further, then 320, about 6 inches beyond that after I get this feathered away. And yeah, probably tune this up for the guy. A little bit of a chip there, there's a chip there we're gonna handle. Blend it, send it. Got some rust in here. What do? We're gonna grind it flat, smooth, put some rust converter on, and I guess hope for the best. There are some chrome moldings going back on. The newer ones do go a little higher yet, so that right there should be covered. Okay, so make this thing look like $1 million. Got everybody rocking and rolling here. Derek on the Durango with the Scape, on the other side fixing it. Doug tearing that down, dealing with that rust. Getting there. We use Z-Grip, and we also have the Spotlight, all Evercoat mixing board, but don't be afraid to mix the two. You can take a nice filler, you add some of this, and you make it a really premium filler at that. This will make it a little bit more creamy and help level it out even better. Believe it or not, SGI never gave us blend time on the front door, but if you can prove it to them, they will do it. You need 24 inches for metallic colors and pearls, and then 30 inches for a tri-coat, and just a standard color, meaning just plain white, plain black, red, whatever. Maybe not black. You get 18 inches, so. Primer edge, even repair edge.